Good morning. So, surprise, I'm here. Today is Wednesday. Yeah. So basically, what I'm cooking up is that I'm gonna be removing the VQ out of the Blue Infinity. So I'm gonna be learning how to do that. So stick around for the ride. Appreciate y'all for the likes, the subs, the comments as always. But I'm about to get into it. Alright, so this is the progress that we made. We're pulling off all of the things because we're just gonna drop the engine down. But yeah, right now we're recovering the refrigerant, so we letting that cook. But I asked Roy to, if I could help with the removal of the engine. I go to automotive school. Yeah. Lincoln Tech. In Queens? Yeah, I graduate in November. No, I'm coming November. I'm gonna graduate.
So like experience.
Yeah, experience. But so I want to help with this.
They're not gonna do it.
No, he's letting me help.
Yeah. You're making help?
Yeah. Of course, I'm helping him. Whatever the class is, they basically teach you about that. Everything you already do. No. The school has their code. Yeah, but if you have your, like me, I can bring my personal car to school and work on it there if I want. It just can't be something that gets stuck. Like fuel and emissions class, they had to do a fuel pumps every day, changing out fuel pumps on different cars. We got this disconnected from down there in the car, the module. So now if that's disconnected, that's a big step in the right direction. So guys, a little update. So now we're on the underside of the car. We're gonna start pulling all the stuff from down here that we need to get out, drop it all down. So yeah. down low on the ground and pull it.
Yes.
Put the wheels back on and then no wheel back on.
No, you said put it back on.
Like put it down low and then pull the four or okay.
Yeah.
He is about to go bye-bye. You said what? Nice. Whoa.
That's a job, listen.
Oh my gosh. Just like that.
So I'm always saying to you,
Right.
if you didn't have the damage, just put in comments of an enemy, but not going with the engine.
this is where the engine gonna sit till I come and get it. Ow. So yeah, guys, that's the engine removed, but you gotta guess the parent. So you see, the both of them, engine out, and this is the new one. So we just taking a couple of stuff off this car to keep for this car. It goes in the storage, and yeah, we're chilling. All right, guys. So I'm about to take my ass home. I'm tired. So the car is gone. It's done. The engine is out. The headlights are off. Everything is everything. I'm thankful to the Lord up above that this car was able to give us 150,000 miles. This car been in my family since middle school. Literally, like I think like the 4th grade. So I just want to. I'm extremely grateful. I'm extremely thankful because at one point this is the only whip that we had. This was our everything right here. So this is like looking like a family member about to go away because this is it. The tow truck is about to come pick it up. So this is dead ass feeling like a family member is leaving, you know? So yeah, man, that's it. So oh, and thank you to Roy, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to do this. He was the one that allowed me to be able to help. So if you live uptown in the Bronx, definitely tap in with him because he always get me right for a good price. So yeah, it's me, your boy Garv. I appreciate y'all for the love, the like, the comments, everything as always. But I'm about to go take my ass home. I am tired. So, I'ma holla at y'all, my people. See you tomorrow.